Khaled, Hit boy, I'm so serious.
1, 2, them boys coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, hide your boo.
Hey yo, Yeezy, pop your
They say that should not be ill, that should not feel, that should not be drill, not be drill, not be real. Selling packs, flipping pills, that got heroin and cracks, man, these out for real. Every year gon' be our year, every year gon' be my year. He really is out here, he really is out here. The block is at war, post-traumatic stress. Ran up out of Pew, robbed at CVS. They getting bust over in guys we trust. We believe in God, but do God believe in us? If we believe enough, will we ever get to know him? That lean got us dozing, we forget that we the chosen. I've been poppin' too long, still reppin' where I came from. I guess it's how I came up. I wish you would try to play us. I wish you would, I wish you would, I wish you would, I wish you would. Hey, I guess it's how I came up. I wish you would try to play us.
Maybach music.
My money on another level. In the streets out here, I'm hotter than the devil. I wonder how I got 100 in my bezel. G5, make it rain, I can change the weather. We fly them lame, where your cheddar? Aim at your brain, AKB the letters. Ball in alphabetical order. Frank Lucas for the cap, run more than a quarter. I'm at the fight, ringside, right next to promoters. All my still hustle, consider them roguish. I remember catching buses, just bought me a Lotus. All your codes, get decoded, know the you quoting. My corner was scorching, somehow my flow was the coldest. Money, power, respect, the only things truly important. Family first, Khaled, we gotta stay focused. God forgives and I don't notice.
I wish you would, I wish you would, I wish you would. Hey, I guess it's how I came up. I wish you would try to play us. I wish you would, I wish you would. You see, you got a couple cases still look good. You see these niggas try to play, I know you feel. Hey yo, that'll be the day you wanna kill it. But you gon' chill, just for your kids. Cause now it's kids doing grown man business. You just got home, you tryna live. Me, I don't wanna do another 5 years. The boss is testing your ass, the feds are questioning your ass. They be drug testing your ass, and then they pray you don't pass. And then you look in the sky, you got some questions to ask with no response. Make you wanna grab the tech in the mask. Cause they've been poppin' too long. Still reppin' where I came from. I guess it's how I came up. I wish you would try to play us. I wish you would, I wish you would, I wish you would, I wish you would. Hey, I guess it's how I came up. I wish you would try to play us.
Rose.
Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What?
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is awesome.
Now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big. I'm just pumped. I bought some from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
damn, that's a cold ass honky.
Rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green, draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me, probably should've washed this. Smells like R. was 99 cents. Copping it, washing it, about to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins, someone else has been walking in. Bummy and grungy fucking man, I am stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's a bargain. I'ma take your grandpa style, I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real, ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found, dig it. They had a broken keyboard, I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket, then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hell no. I could take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. The sneakerheads will be like, he got the Velcro.
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is being awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is being awesome.
What she know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What she knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Thank your granddad for donating that plaid button up shirt, cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm at the Goodwill, you can find me in the I'm not stuck on searching in the section. Your grandma, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that. The built-in onesie with the socks on them. I hit the party and they stop in that. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some ignorant. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting tricked by business. That shirt's hella dope. And having the same one as 6 other people in this club is a hella don't. Peep gang, come take a look through my telescope. Tryna get girls from a brand, man, you hella won't. Man, you hella won't.
Goodwill. Poppin' tags. Yeah.
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is being awesome. I'll wear your granddad's clothes, I look incredible. I'm in this big air coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'll wear your granddad's clothes, I look incredible.
Come on, man.
I'm